How to add 8812 on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Form 8812 is used to claim the additional child tax credit if your child tax credit is more than your tax liability and you qualify for a refund. The first thing you want to do is log into your TurboTax account. Now click on Deductions and Credits, or you can click on the search icon and directly search for 8812, then select the Jump to link. Now you will have to enter your dependent information such as your child's age, your income level, and whether the child has a valid SSN. Now check if you qualify for the additional child tax credit. If eligible, TurboTax will automatically fill out Form 8812 and include it in your return. Now review all the details entered over there. To review your form, you can go to Tax Tools and select View Tax Summary. Now, once it has been verified, TurboTax will include Form 8812 in your return. Then you can complete your filing process, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.